Political parties which were divided on key national issues in the parliament are united in their demand for a new parliament building. Leaders claim that the growing number of members has resulted in the need for a larger space. From toilets to PCs, their list of fancy excuses for a new parliament building are really endless.
आज की तकनीक के हिसाब से कुछ अतिरिक्त सुविधा देने की वो बात कर रही हैं, वो तो वैसे भी दी जा सकती है, उसमें कोई कठिनाई नहीं है। और मैं समझता हूं कि पूरी तरह से नया भवन बनाना, संसद भवन इसकी जगह, वो किसी भी तरह से व्यवहारिक नहीं है और उचित नहीं है।
Well, let's go across live to Aditya now. He's joining us for more on the story. Aditya, now it seems that the political fraternity has decided that whether or not we work inside the parliament, but we do need all sorts of fancy stuff for us and a fancy building as well.
Well, absolutely, Preeti. There's a massive controversy erupting. On one hand, they do not let the monsoon session and the winter session of the parliament function. Key bills, including the GST bill, are completely stalled. The reforms that are going to take place will take some more time because there's been complete chaos in the parliament. The opposition and the government are not on the same page. The legislation is not taking place. And at this juncture, what the entire government and the political class is united in is the perks that they get. Initially, it was the MP's salary that they want to double. The select committee did not take any time to recommend that, and we are hearing that perhaps the finance ministry may approve it. And now we are also hearing that there will be a new parliament building. But the bigger question here is, why suddenly realize that they actually require a new building with new technological advances, with new security measures, with luxury internal tunnels, and whatever luxury the MPs are getting already aren't enough as if. So the question we are asking here on Times Now certainly remains that is this really the priority of the government and the political class of the country when there can be no consensus on functioning of the parliament, when there can be no consensus on key bills including the GST? Why is there such a political consensus emerging on these perks that the MPs have been enjoying for a very long time, including a new parliament building in Lutyens, Delhi?